Students, very good morning. Welcome to English class. Welcome to English class.
Yes, sir.
So, first tell me, okay. So, first important thing about the puzzle. It was a great activity, word puzzle activity. So, I hope you all enjoyed the activity. I really like the activity because each answer, all answer begins with a W letter. It was really great. Yes, no, Raman Goda. So, I hope you enjoyed a lot. And today in this class, we are going to continue our grammar session. So, the class is English and the grammar. Monday onwards again we will start textbook. So here grammar WH question we are going to learn. WH question. Okay. Yes. So WH question, yes or no type question I taught you. Yes or no question begins with helping verb and also the answer can be yes or no. That is called yes or no type question. Begins with helping verbs. There are 24 helping verbs. And if the question begins with helping verb, that is called yes or no type question. That we learned. So dear students, I taught you about the WH question also. The structure of WH question. WH word is important in WH question. And the WH question's answer will be informative. Means information will be there in WH question. It begins with WH word. The WH question begins with WH word itself and there are many WH words. And dear students, the WH words, that day only I had given all the WH words and also I gave you the structure of WH question. The structure of WH question is WH word plus helping verb plus subject plus main verb plus object. This is the structure of WH question. Then I told you that how to frame a WH question. The question is totally based on and the WH word is also based on underlined part. And in examination, in question paper, what type of examples will come? Let's start, dear students. I am Kharade sir. Welcome all of you to this video, to this live lecture, WH questions. WH questions begin with the WH word. Today we are going to learn how to use the WH word properly. So dear students, there are WH words. What? Who? Why? Where? When? Yes. Then how? Then which? Then whose? Then how many? Then how much? So these are all WH words. What, who, why, where, when. What, who, why, where, when. How, which, whose, how many, how much. These are WH words. So dear students, how to use proper WH word? Because to frame WH question, you need to use, yes, you need to use WH word. But how to use correct WH word I am telling you. If underline part, following. If underlined part following means what? If underlined part is object, idea or thing, if underlined part is object, idea or thing, that time you should use what? If underlined part person, if underlined part is a person, you should use, yes, you should use, whom also you can use, Raman Kota, whom also we can use, very good, Raman Kota, very good. So, if underlined part is a person, we use who. If underlined part is a reason, that time we should use I. If underlined person part is a place, where, time, when, manner, how, which, choice, whose, possession, how many, countable, uncountable, and whom, also sometimes person, two person. So these are WH words, and if underlined part is there, yes, no, so that is called all these answers. If underlined part is a person, you should start your WH question with who. If underlined part is a time, WH word will be when. If underlined part is a place, WH word will be where. If underlined part is a manner, WH word will be how. And choice, which. Possession means what? Ownership. So write down these things. Write down fast. Okay. So now, what is the meaning of underline word? I will discuss it. Underline word. Underline part. So for example, I will write here questions. Questions are there. I have the questions. So dear students, how to find out the underlined part? The first one, she wanted to study in Chennai. Next one, the old man opened the gate. The old man opened the gate. Then, the monsoon starts in June. and people keep dogs. People keep dogs to protect their houses. To protect their houses. Dear students, these are 4 examples of WH question. The first one is that she wanted to study in Chennai. The old man opened the gate. Third one is the monsoon starts in June and the people keep their dogs to protect their houses. So now one by one just tell me who will tell. I don't know, but one only student should tell the answer. Ramangoda, always, no need. Other students are there. There are many students. So who will? Okay. Ramangoda. First Ramangoda. Ramangoda, here off mic. Other students off mic. Hey, wait, Ramangoda, wait. Only tell me here in the first sentence what is the underlying part.
In Chennai.
So in Chennai is the underlying part, and then tell me underlying part is in Chennai. What is this? I given no. I given only. Answer. So underlying part means answers. That in Chennai is the answer. So I given here. If underlying part is that. So what is in Chennai? What is that? Ramangoda, what is this?
It is place.
Very good.
It is place.
Wonderful. Really great. So in Chennai is the underlying part. In Chennai is the underlying part, and it is a place. It is a place. So it is a place. So which WH word will come? Where? So underlying part is Chennai and it is a place. For place we use where. For place we use where. That is correct. Now wait, Ramangoda, off your mic. I don't want answer. Just let me explain. I will give you 20 examples to solve. But before let me explain. Here in Chennai is the place. So for place we use where. So I have used here where. So what is the structure? WH question. After WH word, where is the WH word? After WH word we should use helping verb, and helping verb is based on tense. So she wanted is a simple past. She wanted, it is a simple past, and in simple past did is the helping verb. So did, where did. So did I have taken here, I used a did. After helping verb, subject is she. After subject, main verb is a wanted. Here we have used a did, so here it will become want. Where did she want to study? Question mark. Ramangoda, isn't it?
Correct, sir.
Thank you. Yes.
Sir.
Very good. Write down this. One example write down. And now dear students, try to solve this example. Third one. In your notebook, try to solve this example. The monsoon starts in June. Try to solve in your notebook.
Sir, I can answer, sir.
Hey, wait. tell answer. Try to solve. I will ask. The monsoon starts in June. So now who will tell the answer? Ashlesh. Ashlesh, tell the answer.
When does the monsoon start?
So, can you explain? Can you explain the answer? Can you explain it?
When does the monsoon start?
Why when? Explain it. Why when? When why?
Because monsoon is climate times because when we should use for the times.
Hey, when we should use for climate? Okay. Ashlesh Mamdapur, your answer is correct, but your explanation is wrong. Let me explain it. When is the WH word? Why? Because underlined part is in June. In June is a time. June means a time, no? June, month, day, yes, all deals with, these all deal with time. In June is a time. So for the time we use when. So now, here helping verb does will come. Why? Does when will come when there is a verb with yes. Start is the verb and the start verb is with yes. So that's what does. Then subject, the monsoon. When does the monsoon start? Isn't it? Raman Koda? Correct?
Correct, sir.
Very good. So now, who will take fourth? People keep dogs to protect their houses. Who will tell fourth?
Ashlesh, sir.
Ashlesh, not again. Ashlesh, not again. Only one. Fourth one, who will tell? Okay, who will tell the? Tejas tell. Tejas Ganachari, please tell.
Why does people keep dogs?
Okay, so here dear students, to protect their houses, people keep dogs to protect their houses. Reason is there. Reason. So for reason we use why. So why is the WH word? Why is the WH word? And Tejas does, why does is wrong. Does is wrong because here keep is the verb and keep is without yes or yes, so do will come. Why do people keep dogs? Why do people keep dogs? People keep dogs to protect their house. The monsoon starts in June. She wanted to study in Chennai. Write down answers with questions. Next one. Second one, yes. Second one is different types. So this is the new rule for that. Another rule is there. That's why I did not solve. Second one is remaining. The old man opened the gate. Dear students, here one rule is there. That's why I did not solve this, because I wanted to give you the rule. So the rule is if underlying part is subject, person, underlying part is helping verb will not come in simple past and present. Write down this rule. Raman Goda, this rule is very, very important. Write down. So Raman Koda, the rule is if underlying part is a subject, underlying part, this rule is about subject. If underlying part is a subject and the subject should be person. Subject, verb, object. Yes, no, I told you subject, verb, object. Yes, in any sentence, in each sentence, there is a subject, there will be verb and there will be object. But if underlined part is a subject and if that is person, in WH question, helping verb will not come in simple past and simple present only. So, the old man opened the gate. Here all rules suits. We can use all rules, these rules. For example, first, the old man opened the gate. Underline part is subject. First rule I got here, if underline part is the subject. So subject is the underline part. Next, person should be the person. So the old man is a person. So old man is person. So two rules are correct. And in simple past or present tense. So the old man opened. This is simple past. Simple past. So actually in this sentence, the sentence follows three rules of this rule. If underlying part is subject, person, simple past, simple present, helping verb will not come. So only you should write like this. If underline is person, WH word will come who. So who you have to use correct. And after the WH word you should not use helping verb. Without using helping verb, who has opened the gate. Raman Goda, understood?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
What is the rule? Explain it.
First,
What happened?
First I attempt this answer only, sir.
First time means what? I thought first time you.
Not, sir. I first I wrote this answer only, sir. For second.
Means you already know the rule.
No, sir. I wrote down the answer, sir.
Tell me the answer.
Who opened the gate? I returned, sir.
Means correct answer.
Yes, sir.
But you don't know the rule.
No, sir.
Okay. So
I know, sir.
here the rule is there. If subject is there, this is subject. Underlined part is a subject. Underlined part is a subject. And it is a person also. Person should be there. Underlined part is subject. Old man is a person. Simple present and simple past. You should not use helping verb here. Actually, the structure of WH question is there. WH word and helping verb. But here you should not use helping verb. Do, does, did, am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had. Do not use anything. Understood? I will give one example. Write down this.
Retention. Yes, sir.
Next example. Ram works in school. Okay, solve it. Ram works in school. Solve it. Ram works in school. Yes, Neha. Off mic. Nonsense. Again. I have your option to mute you. So Ram works in school. This is question. Frame a WH question. Dear students, in question paper for examination question will come. They will give an example. Ram works in school and the question will be like this. Frame WH question to get underlined part as answer. This is the question. Frame WH question to get underlined part as answer. So Ram works in school. I want to ask question answer. Who will give the answer?
Sir, Putraj, sir.
Putraj give answer. Putraj give answer.
Yes, sir. Who works in school?
Very good. Who works in the school? Here same rule. If underlined part is subject, if underlined part is a person, and the sentence should be in simple past, simple present. This is simple present. So who works in school? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
So now the discussion about the class. Here, dear students, we learn questions. There are two types of questions. First one we learn yes or no. Yes or no question. Next I taught you WH question of migrate. Questions. First one yes or no. Another one is a WH question. Here begins with yes, no, begins with helping verb. And answer can be yes or no. Only this we learn. Now WH question begins with WH words. Answer will be informative. And structure also I want to give you Raman Goda. Structures. Here structures I will give. Structure of yes or yes no type. Structure of yes no type is helping verb plus a subject plus main verb plus object. Can you call him? And here the structure is different. The structure of WH question is WH word plus helping verb plus subject plus main verb plus object. Raman Goda, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Write down this also.